Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss about VUCA management, class 3. Social inclusion. Social inclusion is a process of improving the status of individuals and groups in terms of their opportunities and abilities to participate in economic development, and social inclusion also refer to participate in economic. Social inclusion is nothing but a process of improving the status of individual groups in terms of their opportunities and abilities to participate in economic developed. Social inclusion also referred as a social integrator. Or coming to the next point, social cohesion represents a vision for a society for all in which every individual has rights and responsibility and an active role to play. Social cohesion represents a vision for a society for all in which every individual has rights to responsibilities and active role to play. And coming to the third point, referring to the historical perspective, it is established that opportunities were denied or disadvantages were created, unknowing the implications and long run cost also. Here some disadvantages are there. Here we are having the very less opportunities for development of social inclusion. Need for the social inclusion. Here we are having some needs for development of social inclusion in our business environment. Managing in VUCA world should consider the need for the social inclusion for sustainable development. And coming to next point, development of leadership and decision making capabilities by including the low level management. The process is also a social inclusion process, and it provides opportunity to those denied the chance of providing suggestions at gangplank level. Social inclusion at business level implies that providing an opportunity for those who did not get opportunity. Previously, many people did not get opportunity to for their development in the society as establishing a small business or like that. But when the social inclusion concept is arranged, it provides some special opportunity for those who did not get opportunity to improve their status due to earlier discriminations in terms of religion, caste, physical disability and gender inequality. Here, providing opportunity to participate in a decision making aspect to the low level employees is very important. Previously, there is no participation in decision making towards low level employees, but here we are providing opportunity to participate decision making aspect towards the low level of employees who are otherwise not allowed to share ideas in development of enterprises. Previously, low level employees are not having the ideas, not sharing the ideas in development of enterprises. Organizations which are socially responsible are likely to gain society support even during the VUCA conditions. Previously, our organizations which are socially responsible are likely to gain society support even during the VUCA conditions also. And coming to the next point, due to additional cost or sacrifices in the process of social inclusion, it seems we are increasing the business risk. Due to additional cost of sacrifices in process of social inclusion, it seems we are increasing the business risk, but when compared with likely cost are negligible. Here, there is a sustainable development of enterprises is not completely without social inclusion. When the sustainable development is completed means there should be a social inclusion development also. Without social inclusion development, the sustainable development is not at all completedly. Here there are important measures for and strategies for social inclusion. At micro level, economic policy framework of government must provide guidance. At macro level, economic policy framework of government must provide guidance, measures and strategies for inclusive growth. Here UNICEF, UNICEF, India recognizes that while social protection is important for the societies in general, here social protection is very important for the societies in general. It is a crucial to reach the most vulnerable children. It is a crucial to reach most vulnerable children and families for whom barriers tend to remain. Even services and national human development averages improvement also. MGNRA means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Here there is a one act which is for development of social inclusion in business environment. That is called Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This act is aims at poverty eradication through social inclusion of poor and it identifications of projects and programs that will address the social inclusion. Here, development of a system to measure the cost of the exclusion. We are having a system that is useful to measure the cost of exclusion, and we are identifying the projects and programs that will address the social inclusion and that will useful for the social inclusion development. We are prioritizing the loan facilities. We are prioritizing loan facilities by banks to area that can promote the social inclusion. Nowadays, banks are providing loan facilities for the development of social inclusion also. Here we are having the different strategies and action plans to be developed to remove gender-based inequality. Our strategies and action plans are used to develop the social inclusion and reduce the gender biased inequality in society. And we are having the rules and regulations to be amended in such a way that poverty eradication is possible through social inclusion. We want to frame a new rules and regulations to be amended in such a way that the poverty should be eradicated completely in India. That is possible through only social inclusion. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.